Hi everyone, my name is Fred Lee, bead instructor here at the Bead Flora studio. As many of you already know, I am currently working on my second French beading book. The concept of the book is branches in bloom, coming out this fall. I already ran a one-time bead-along for these cherry blossoms and cherries back in March. There are several projects like this where the branches go from flowers to fruit, cherry blossoms to cherries, crabapple blossoms to crab apples, and more. Here is a sneak peek of more projects to come. If you're excited about the new book, hit the like button and let me know in the comments what you are most excited to make. And coming up in July, I'll be running a bead-along for flowering dogwood in the Learn How to Make French Beaded Flowers Facebook group. There is no fee to participate. I did make some kits but are currently all sold out at the moment. I'll put the link in the description when I do have more kits available. But you are welcome to use your own materials. The materials list is already uploaded into the Facebook group. The lessons are divided into 5 parts where we'll learn how to make the stamen, petals, leaves A, B, and C, and assembly. If you participated in my March class and would like to take your skills to the next level, then you don't want to miss the flowering dogwood bead-along.